It's May 30th, DS diving here with Wobegon at the Tackle and Hunting Club here in Jacksonville. Uh, the boat was mostly just covered in a thick mud. I didn't find any hard growth or anything like that, pretty much. Around here, the hardest part on this boat was, as you'll see, I'll show you right here, was the water line. I could have scrubbed that down, um, but it would have taken a significant amount of time, and I think it would have taken a lot of the paint with it. So I think that next time I will just bring some of that citric acid stuff and see if that helps. But I really didn't want to just keep scrubbing and scrubbing on the paint. I'm going to show you the zincs. They look pretty good to me. In fact, they look great to me, but I'm just going to show them to you. And there's a big chunk missing out of the port prop that I'm going to try and show you. Here we go.